In this video, we're looking at a perfectly inelastic collision, and the setup to this problem is that I have a block of mass 10 kilograms moving to the left at 4.5 meters per second. And what I want to do is throw a 1.4 kilogram blob of clay directly to the right, smash it into this block, and have the final speed come out to 0. So I'm trying to get the perfect speed for that clay blob to cause everything to stop. Well, if my final state has a velocity of 0, that means the total momentum in my final state is 0. And that means the total momentum in my initial state must be 0, since momentum is a conserved quantity. And that means the rightward momentum of the clay blob, which is 1.4 kilograms times its initial speed, must be equal to the leftward momentum of the block. And that's a mass of 10 kilograms times a speed of 4.5 meters per second. We quickly solve for V0. Into 3 sig figs, we've got 32.1 meters per second for the perfect speed to throw that clay blob to bring everything to a stop. In part B, we want to get the total energy lost in the collision. So certainly in the initial state, we see that both objects have some initial kinetic energy, and in the final state, that's all gone. I have 0 kinetic energy remaining. So my final kinetic energy is 0. My initial is just the sum of the kinetic energies for each moving piece. So for the clay blob, that's 1/2 times the mass, which is 1.4, times the initial speed squared, 32.1 squared, taking our answer from part A. Then the block itself, a mass of 10 kilograms and initial speed of 4.5 meters per second. And when I add these two together, I get 823 joules. So how much energy was lost? It was the entire 823 joules, and we're done. If you enjoyed this video, or at least found it useful, check out another one by clicking one of the links on the left, or click the Zach's Lab logo on the right to explore dozens of physics and math playlists. As always, you can leave your questions, comments, and requests in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching Zach's Lab, and best of luck on your math and physics journey.